Hey, what's up guys? Got a new package from China. Have no idea what's in here. Forgot even what I ordered, so I thought I'd just open it up, see what it is. And, oh cool. I know what these are. These are a couple of little topwater lures that I'm going to use for my BFS system. There's just a couple of tiny poppers with some single hooks with no barbs. I'll pull these out and give you a closer look. Okay, here's how they look. This is kind of a sleek, oh, that hook is really sharp. Kind of a sleek popper body. Kind of has decent weight to it, even though it's small and chubby. Yeah, two little hooks. Looks like they'll kind of stay weedless because they're both facing backwards. I'm not sure how the hookup ratio will be with something like that. Orange belly on this one, black top. It's kind of got a matte finish. Probably going to be a little bit more of a bluegill style color pattern. It's translucent. You can kind of see inside. I can definitely see some little BBs and weights. Same thing, hooks face to the back. But yeah, just want to share that with you guys. I keep getting all these lures off of the Aliexpress site, and they seem to be pretty decent quality. So I'm just building up my arsenal of ultralight lures, getting ready for the topwater bite in the spring as I look outside and see about 6 inches of snow on the ground. But anyway, wanted to share that with you. I know it's not a big deal. It's not even a great video. Just wanted to throw it out there. Have a look-see.